Hi, welcome to Vidyanagar online class. So, now we are studying our fourth chapter, that is the simple equations. In previous class we studied how to solve equations. Today we will do some exercises related to that is exercise 4.3. Now see exercise 4.3, first question. Solve the following equations. See the first question. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So in the previous class we studied, we want to get the value of y here. So all the other numbers and signs other than this variable will be taken to the other side. Isn't it? All the other number and symbols other than the variable will be taken to the right side. Now see, and it should be done one by one. So first we will take this plus 5 by 2 to the other side. So what will happen here? It will be 2y. Plus 5 by 2 go to other side. So it becomes 37 by 2 is already here. Then when plus 5 by 2 go to other side become minus 5 by 2. The symbol will change. Now what is it? 37 minus 5. What is 37 minus 5? 32 by 2. 32 by 2 is 16. Now you got 2y equal to 16. If 2y equal to 16, what is y? It is 2 into y now. So, it become, when it comes this side, it become division. So, 16 by 2, that is 8. Then see the next one. A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Here first you take plus 3 to other side. So, a by 5 equal to 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? It is negative 1. So, a by 5 equal to negative 1. Then what is a? Here it is division now. So when it go to other side become multiplication. So minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Now next question. That is f 5 by 2 x equal to 25 by 4. So here also we can take 1 by 1 to the other side. So what will you take first? You can take this by 2 to the other side. So what will happen? It will become 5x will be there. By 2 go to other side now. So 25 by 4 is already there. Division when you go to other side it become multiplication. So 25 into 2 by 4. What is 25 into 2? It is 50. 50 by 4. So 5x equal to 50 by 4. So what is x? 5 into x. So when you go to other side become division. 50 by 4 is already there. So this 5 also will come here. It will be 4 into 5. So 50 by 20, that is 5 by 2. Now next one, 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. So which one you take first? You can take this minus 5 to other side. So 2b by 3 equal to 3 plus 5. Minus 5 become plus 5. So it will be 8. 2b by 3 equal to 8. Then what? Next, which will you take? You can take this by 3 to other side. So it become 2b equal to division. When you go to it become multiplication. 8 into 3, that is 24. 2b equal to 24. Then what is b? 2 into b. So in 2 comes, here it is multiplication. So it become division. So 24 by 2 it is 12. Second question also same. Solve the following equations. But the equation is of different form. See the first one, 2 into x plus 4 equal to 12. 2 into, in the bracket it is given x plus 4 equal to 12. So, one by one you have to go take to other side. So, first you can take this 2 to other side. So, here to become x plus 4 will be there. 2 goes to other side now. 12 is already there. When 2 goes here, what happen? It is into here. So, it become division. So, 12 by 2, you know, it is 6. Now, you got x plus 4 equal to 6. Then next you have to take x plus 4 go to other side become minus 4. So that is 6 minus 4 it is 2. See the next here. Here also same way. First take the 3 to other side. So it become n minus 5 equal to minus 21 by 3. Minus 21 by 3 it is minus 7. Then n equals minus 7 minus 5 go to other side become plus 5. So minus 7 plus 5 it is minus 2. Question D. Here also same method. Minus 4 into 2 plus x equal to 8. Then you have to find x here. So what first step, you take the minus 4 to other side. So 2 plus x equal to 8 divided by minus 4. That is minus 2. So 2 plus x equal to minus 2. So what is x? It will be minus 2 minus. So the answer will be minus 4. Then here 4 into 2 minus x equal to 8. So what is the answer? How will you do that? First take 4 to other side. So 2 minus x equal to 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then what will you do? Take this 2 to other side. So here minus x is there. When 2 go to other side, become minus 2. 2 minus 2, it is 0. So minus x equal to 0. So x will be 0. Third question. A 4 equal to 5 into p minus 2. 4 equal to 5 into p minus 2. Here what is the difference? The previous question bracket was in the left hand side. Here it is to the right hand side. But the method will be same, isn't it? So in this case you can do the same way as you did before, or you can open the bracket also. See, 4 equal to, when you open the bracket, 5 into p, 5p. Then 5 into 2, it becomes 10. So it is 5p minus 10. Then what happens? You want to get the p. So you got it as, if you get confusion, you can interchange the place. 5p minus 10 equal to 4. Then what will happen? You can take this minus 10 to other side. So 5p equal to 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. Then p equals 14 by 5. Then here minus 4 equals, open the bracket, 5p minus 10. Then bring the 10 to other side. So it becomes minus 4 plus 10 equal to 5p. What is minus 4 plus 10? It is 6 equal to 5p. And what is p? 5p equal to 6. P equals 6 by 5. Now next one. See, 16 equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. What will you do? First open the bracket. So 4 plus 3 into t, 3t. 3 into 2, 6. So 16 equal 4 plus 3t plus 6. Here 4 and 6 we can add. 4 plus 6, it is 10. So 16 equal to 10 plus 3t. Now we can take the 10 to other side, isn't it? So it will be 16 minus 10 equal to 3t. 16 minus 10, it is 6. 6 equal to 3t. Then t equals 6 by 3, that is 2. Then here, next question. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. So first open the bracket. You can open the bracket or directly take the 4 to other side. Both way you can do. Here I am going to open the bracket first. So 4 plus 5p minus 5 equal to 34. What is 4 minus 5? Negative 1. So 5p minus 1 equal to 34. Take the minus 1 to other side. So 5p equals 34. Minus 1 become plus 1. That is 35. So 5p equal to 35. Then what is p? P equals 35 by 5. That is 7. See, you can do this without opening the bracket also. Just I will show you one example for that. See here, first you can take the 4 to this side. So it becomes 16 minus 4 equal to 3 into, what is 16 minus 4? It is 12. 12 equal to 3 into t plus 2. Then take the 3 to this side. Here it is into no. So when it come, it become division. 12 by 3 is equal to t plus 2. 12 by 3 is 4. 4 equal to t plus 2. Then what is t? Take this plus 2 to this side. It become minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to t. 4 minus 2, 2 equal to t. That is the t, value of t is 2 there. So both the ways you can do it. Either open the bracket first and then do, or without opening the bracket also you can do. Anyway, the answer will be same. Whatever you do, take one by one to the other side. See here, last question of this part. 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Here also the bracket is to the right hand side. So if it is confusing for you, you can just interchange the parts. You can write it like this. 16 plus 4 into m minus 6 equal to 0. Just interchanging, both are same, no? Now see here, then you can do the other steps. First take 16 to other side. So 4 into m minus 6 equal to 0. 16 go to other side, become minus 16. So it will be negative 16. So 4 into m minus 6 equal to negative 16. So what is m minus 6? 4 go to other side. Minus 16 by 4, that is minus 4. The next step, m minus 6 equal to minus 4. Then what is m? Minus 6 go to other side, become plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6, that is 2. Next question, fourth A. Construct 3 equations starting with x equal to 2. You have to make 3 equations and start from x equal to 2. That is, first start from x equal to 2. Make 3 equations. When you are doing anything in the equation, whatever operation you do in the left side, the same operation you have to do in the right side also. See here, I am going to multiply. Multiply 5 to both sides. So this side becomes 5x, 5 into x. And here 2 into 5 becomes 10. This is another first equation you got here. First operation what you did, you multiplied with 5. When you are multiplying both sides, you have to multiply with 5. The next step, you can do anything there. Next step, see, I am adding. Adding 2 to both sides. Then if you add 2 to both sides, you get another equation. See here, it becomes 5x plus 2 equal to 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 will become 12. You got the second equation there. You want to get 3 equations, one more. So one more operation you have to do here. So what will you do? Well, I will subtract. I am going to subtract 1 from both sides. So here it is 5x plus 2 minus 1. It will become minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then here 12 minus 1, it is 11. You got the third equation also. So whatever, when you are doing any operations in an equations, whatever you do to one side, the same you have to do the other side also. If you are adding here, the same addition you have to do in the next side. If you are multiplying, same multiplication to the right side also. Fourth B, construct 3 equations starting with x equal to negative 2. So the previous question also see, only the change is here, it was x equal to negative 2. So starting, see, I will add 5 to both sides. Add 5 to both sides. So it becomes x plus 5 equal to negative 2 plus 5. Negative 2 plus 5, it is 3. So x plus 5 equal to 3. You got the first equation. Then again what you will do? You didn't do the same operation. You can do any operation which you find easy. Next I am going to multiply. Multiply with 2. So 2 into x plus 5 equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. So 2 into x plus 5 equal to 6. You got the second equation. Then one more we want now. So we will do division. Dividing with 3. See, 2 into x plus 5 by 3 equal to 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. So 2 into x plus 5 by 3 equal to 2. That is the third equation. You can find as many equations you want. Just do an operation in the given equations. So that exercise is 4.3 is over here. So you do all the problems which I have done here and then do the homework. Okay.